Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and ensuring the device supports the latest sign-in flow. Enter your Apple ID email, then type the password into the password field. Once done, you may be asked for two-factor authentication. Tap Allow on a trusted device or enter the verification code sent to your phone. Make sure to enable iCloud options you need. Choose iCloud Drive, Photos, and Keychain if you want password sync and backups enabled across devices. Next, manage your password and security settings to protect access. Go to Password and Security to change your password. Enter the current one, create a strong new password, and confirm it. Enable two-factor authentication for every Apple ID sign-in. Add a recovery contact or recovery key for emergency access. Once enabled, use iCloud Keychain to autofill passwords in Safari and apps, which reduces typing errors and keeps credentials consistent across devices while still requiring your Apple ID to decrypt them locally. Finally, finish by verifying all devices and services listed under your Apple ID account. Remove any you no longer use. If syncing or app purchases fail, sign out of the Apple ID on that device and sign back into refreshed tokens. Make sure you have a good network connection. If you can't sign in, reset the password at account. Apple, calm using your recovery method or use the recovery key if you set one up. Troubleshooting tip: if two-factor codes don't arrive, check date/time settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.